Today I'm making all natural laundry detergent, homemade. So it only requires three ingredients and 4 if you include the water. You need Castile soap, baking soda, salt, and really hot water. So we'll start with 2 cups of hot water. Pour it into your mixing bowl. Now that you have your hot water in your bowl, you want to pour in your salt, coarse pickling salt. It contains no additives, and I like that it contains no additives, and I also like the coarse texture. A couple minutes of stirring. This I like mixing until I can't see it anymore, and I think we're there. 1 cup of baking soda, and mixing as you pour. I get impatient, so I usually just dump it all in. Sometimes I'll get just unscented. That's what I started with when I started making this soap, was unscented Dr. Bronner's. But I discovered this store that sells these Castile soaps, all different brands, and I can choose my flavor. I think it's nice to add essential oils to it. Time to add the Castile soap. A little fly just flew into this bowl, and he didn't make it long. And the last step is pouring it in the jug. Definitely use a funnel. Pour carefully. There's gonna be a little bit of baking soda residue at the bottom. So I'll add some hot water to this bowl, and that gets all the soap into my laundry soap container. Time for the hot water. And you just want to not put on the lightest, but maybe medium or so, just not high. Okay, finally, almost there. Bubbles are gonna start to come at the top. And that's how I make all natural laundry soap. It only requires a few ingredients. It's easy to make, saves money, and is safe for your body and the environment. Thanks for watching this video on natural living with Amanda. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please show your support by liking, commenting, even subscribing. Thanks, and have a great day. I shake the contents before using. Then 1 cup of soap for each regular load, and then I'll add 1.5 cups for a larger load. I don't even use fabric softener, I just use these weird dryer balls, and they work great.